Hello, I'm Jordan Nichols, third generation owner of Nichols Marine. Since 1997, Nichols Marine and Chaparral boats have partnered to bring boaters of Oklahoma an unrivaled lake life experience and unmatched customer service in the industry. Today, I am proud to announce we are expanding that same level of service to the Northeast Texas region. Nichols Marine will now be offering Chaparral boats in our Longview, Texas location. We couldn't be more excited to have such an amazing product with so much history now available in all 6 of our locations across Oklahoma and Texas. We have already begun increasing our in-stock inventories to accommodate the additional demand, and with over 60 units in stock, we'll be able to provide immediate access for your family to be on the water. Summer is right around the corner, so come in and see why Nichols Marine has become one of the top Chaparral dealers in the nation, and let us find you the right boat right now.